Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be going over the August P&G insert. We're going to flip through and see which coupons we received, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so here it is. We have the new P&G insert for August 2021. Now, for this month, there's been some changes. There are two new areas that do not have the Tide or Gain coupons, and guess what? I'm one of them, okay? So, that's a bummer there. But I am looking into ordering some. I'm still going to do the giveaway as always. I give away 2 inserts to 2 people, and those winners will be announced on Sunday, so make sure you come back and watch the video. I'll give you the rules when we get done with this insert preview here. Now, I do want to say, I have noticed in my area a big influx in couponers, and just being out shopping, you know, on Saturdays at Dollar General, I've noticed what people are picking up, and a lot of people do the Tide glitch, where they pick up the smaller bottles, use the $3 coupon, and that's, you know, to each its own. I'm not judging anybody. I've done that glitch myself before, but anyways, I've noticed a big influx in people out doing those deals, and I think as the result is we no longer have those Tide and Gain coupons coming to our area. So just as a, you know, I'm looking for the future to be like the Tide and the Gain will all be only digital coupons, possibly printable coupons. But anyways, that's just my little update, what's going on in my area. I've also noticed that the P&G inserts are getting a lot harder to find. If you guys have watched the past couple of months on my insert previews, there's been months where I couldn't find any, where all the inserts were stolen out of the newspapers. They didn't even buy the newspapers. And then today, when I went, somebody had came in, went to at least 2, I stopped at 2 gas stations and kind of scrounged up the few that they had left through the drive-thru window. So I was able to get enough to have a couple for myself, and then also to have a couple to give away for the you know, the insert giveaway. But somebody had went in there and bought up all of the newspapers, and they literally just came out this morning. So it's, what, 12 o'clock, and they're already gone. At least wiped out 2 gas stations, and I'm gonna bet that whoever did that is regretting that right now, because there's no Tide or Gain in this insert. So, like I said, I'm gonna be looking into buying some from a lady that I've ordered from before. So if I do get the Tide and Gain coupon P&G insert, that's the one that I will send out to you guys, to the winners of the giveaway. Alright, so anyways, we're going to go ahead and do a flip through here and see what we have. This month is really not a great month. I'm not really excited about these coupons. So I will definitely be going and using all of my Tide and Gain coupons that expire on Saturday. Definitely be making sure I use all those up. And all of the higher value coupons that we have in there. Also, don't forget that the Gain coupons that are in the July P&G insert do not expire until the August the 14th, I believe. So don't throw out your inserts without clipping those coupons out first. So we've got some medicines, some vitamins, stuff like that. We've got 3 off 3 Pantene. Now keep in mind, a lot of these same value coupons we will receive in our DG digital coupons, in our Walgreens digital coupons. So be on the lookout for that. If we receive a 2 off 1 for the Always Discreet, that might glitch on the $3 ones. So just keep that in mind. You guys can kind of plan ahead for Sunday on which coupons you want to clip. We've got some Crest coupons. 1 off 1 for the mouthwash, 2 off 1 for the Burt's Bees, 3 off 1 for the Crest Advanced toothpastes, and 2 off 1 for the Crest multi-pack. And we got some 50-cent coupons. We have 3 off 2 for the Always. That's a pretty good coupon. Usually those match up with Ibotta. We have got, there's the dreaded Tide and Gain ad. No coupons, only available on the pngoodeveryday.com website, which really stinks. And again, I'm not judging anybody. You guys do what you do. That's fine with me. I'm just telling you guys what I've been noticing in my area, and just being out shopping. You know, I've seen the big the buggies full of Tide, the buggies full of the little $1 Crest toothpaste, stuff like that. I've noticed it big uptick, and even cashiers have told me, told me some stories. So anyways, that's neither here nor there, but this happened this month, and I don't expect that we will get these back the next month. And I think eventually they're going to pull these from all of the areas, because now the people who want the Tide and Gain coupons will be ordering from the coupon fairies, and those coupons will still be I think they'll eventually pull them all, and we'll all have to just use printables. And the bad thing about these printables are from pngoodeveryday.com is that you can only use them, I think there's like an expiration date of like 24 hours, so you have to print them off and go to the store and use them. But anyways, moving on. We do have 25 cents off for the Bounty and Charmin, so that went down a little bit. I was kind of expecting some better deals. We have 1 off 1 Febreze product, so we didn't get any buy one get one free. Then we have 2 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppables. So it's not looking good. We do have these 9 elements. I did see that Walgreens, these were in the Walgreens ad, so hopefully my Walgreens will be getting these in before we lose these high value coupons on these products. We have 2 off 1 for the Swiffer. That's a good coupon. It's a good deal. We have 1 off 2 for the Mr. Clean products. That's a pretty good deal. You can catch them on sale. 50 cents off for the Dawn. 1 off 1 for the Cascade. 3 off for the Gillette and Venus razors. We have 5 off 3 for the Old Spice or Gillette, or the Safeguard liquid hand soap. So that may be a really good deal. And 5 off 3 for the Secret deodorant or the Olay body wash. And I am going to try to throw together a P&G deal. Like I said, I need to go through my P&G inserts from July, make sure that I use those up, just in case I don't get any new Tide or Gain coupons for this month. But like I said, I'm going to try my best to order some from a lady that I've ordered from before. And if I get them in my hand, and I will mail those out for the giveaway, if that's what you guys would prefer. Alright guys, so now we're going to talk about the rules for the giveaway. Alright guys, so if you want to be entered to win 2 of these P&G inserts, this is going to be real short, sweet, and simple. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Please turn on your notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And on Sunday, I'll be announcing the winners, so you can be one of the first to watch the video and claim your prize if you win. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. I'm going to ask you to answer a question in the comment section down below, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. And also, I'm going to ask you guys to share the video, even if you just click on the share button down below and send the link to yourself in a text message, send it to your email, send it to your best friend, send it to your family members, whatever it may be. All of those little things really do add up and really help me out. Alright guys, so this month's question for the giveaway is going to have to do with your pets. So I want to know what kind of pets you have and what you named them. Just yesterday, my daughter found a teeny tiny newborn kitten that had been abandoned by its mama at her boyfriend's house. So she brought this little tiny kitten over so that we could check it out today. And it is so tiny and so cute. And she thinks she's going to name her Stella if it's a girl. So she's nursing her back to health, being a really good mom to this little teeny tiny newborn kitten. So here is your question that I want you to answer down in the comment section. Alright, so this month's question, I want to know what kind of pets you guys have and what their names are. Now, you guys can get real specific with it and tell me like what kind of breed your dog is, but you don't have to. Just tell me what kind of animals you have, whether it be cats, dogs, lizards, fish, little tiny baby kittens, birds, whatever it may be. Let me know what kind of pet you have and then what you've named it, because if this little kitten is a little tiny baby boy, we need to come up with some boy names as well. So that'll really help me out, and I'm very curious to see what kind of fur babies you guys have running around at your home. And if you don't worry, just tell me, hey, I don't have any pets, and you'll still be entered to win in the giveaway. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but I do want to remind everyone, just in case you are new to couponing, that the P&G insert comes out once a month. It's typically the last Sunday of the month or the first Sunday of the month. These specific inserts will be out in this coming up Sunday's newspaper, and we should also receive a Smart Source and a Unilever insert if I'm not mistaken. So go out, check your gas stations, your grocery stores. Some Walmarts may carry the Sunday paper, your drug stores, whatever it may be, on Sunday, and check to see if they have those inserts in them before you buy them, because like I said, I've had instances where people just go in, take the inserts, and leave the newspapers. Now, if you're unable to go out on Sunday and pick up newspapers, or if you're just like me and you're just having problems finding any newspapers in your area, you can definitely order them online. There are several different websites that either sell whole inserts or clipped coupons. I do have a couple of them listed down in the description box below. You can also find plenty of coupon fairies on Instagram. I'm sure on Facebook as well. If anybody has any recommendations that they would like to share, feel free to share that information in the comment section below. Like I said, normally I don't have to order coupons because I was getting everything that I needed in my area, and I like to support the local newspaper, so I would just buy the newspapers here, but it looks like I'm gonna have to start figuring out how I can order some coupons. So if you have any information that you want to share, like I said, feel free to leave that information down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that's enough of my jibber jabbering for now. Before you go, please make sure that you're subscribed, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and please share the video so that you guys will be entered to win in this giveaway. Now, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.